N700A! I am at Nagoya Station. Here's the train we took. And right beside us is the Shinkansen. N700A. Then my phone, please. Whoa.
Mahal nga.
Big experience.
Sabi nga nila, hindi na
It's bound for
mahal
Tokyo.
ang JR.
That train's bound for Tokyo.
Ayan, at mahal ang JR lines.
The Shinkansen's
Private
bound.
kasi yan eh, di ba?
Yeah, I think so.
Private ang JR.
Japan.
Katulad ng subway na.
Di ba na-try na natin before yan?
Yeah,
Fukuoka.
but not the N700A, only the normal N700.
Fukuoka.
Oh yeah, Fukuoka.
lang tayo.
It's Mizuho Sakura.
Balik tayo ng Tokyo.
Mizuho Sakura's for
Balikan niya
Fukuoka.
kami. Tapos nung nalaman nga, yung friend ko sa Fukuoka,